Confused whether to DocuSign that purchase agreement or just send it over as a PDF? The answer boils down to one crucial question: do you need a legally binding signature? If the answer is yes, DocuSign is your clear winner. Let's break it down. DocuSign offers verifiable and legally sound electronic signatures. It meticulously tracks the entire signing process. You can see when the document was sent, when it was opened, and when each party signed. This detailed audit trail provides strong evidence of agreement and can be critical in case of disputes. Plus, DocuSign often offers encryption and security features that are more robust than simply emailing a PDF. Now, let's talk PDF. Sending a purchase agreement as a PDF is fine if you only need a static copy for informational purposes. Maybe you're circulating a draft for review, or providing a record of a completed transaction where signatures aren't legally required on that specific copy. However, remember that PDFs can be easily altered without a trace unless specific security measures are in place, and gathering verifiable signatures through PDF alone can be challenging. So, before you hit send, ask yourself, do I need legally binding signatures or just a static copy? If it's the former, DocuSign is the way to go. If it's the latter, a PDF might suffice. And that's the key difference. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on navigating legal agreements.